Good afternoon. Welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian. I am with
Marcela.
Marcela. Found this great apartment. How many meters is this apartment?
145.
145 meters, that's right. And we are in San Lucas, and this apartment is perfect for renovation. Let's go take a look.
Hey, the balcony is good.
Yeah, this is a beautiful balcony. Okay, again, this is an apartment due for a renovation. Okay, just so you know. But again, we are in San Lucas, and just down the street from here, you can see. Okay, a couple blocks down there is the Smart Fit, and just to the right is the PriceSmart. So we're really close to a lot of great facilities, and just up the hill, just up over this way here is San Lucas Mall. So really close to everything here. So Marcela, let's take a look.
Okay.
How many bedrooms?
Bedrooms, 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms?
And 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms, right.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Is it social bathroom?
Okay, yeah, social bathroom. Again, this is a renovated, or it needs to be renovated, this apartment. This is the kind a lot of our clients are looking for to come in. And as you can see over there, let's take a look at the kitchen. Okay, this whole wall here could be opened up, and that's the obvious renovation here. So again.
Yes, social laundry.
Yeah. It's a social area for the laundry room here, as you can see.
Another room for...
This is usually the maid's room, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Or if you have hired help, okay. But this could also be used as a pantry. You got your laundry room right here. And Marcela, it's 3 bedrooms, right?
3 bedrooms, yes.
Okay, let's take a look. Marcela's really good at...
This is good area for living room.
Yeah, there's actually, there's a lot of space. Like where I am right now could be a dining area, but again, there's ample space in here. Living area, this could actually be another bedroom almost. Okay, or that could be an office. But again, really nice space. The floors are really nice.
Mm-hmm.
You've got your patio, and let's go see.
Okay.
The bedrooms here. We saw the social bathroom.
This is maybe for TV.
Yeah, or like a bookcase or something. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is 1 bedroom.
Yeah, very nice. And they've got a little Juliet balcony here.
Yeah.
Very nice, and lots of birds and wildlife. And right down below, you've got a river running right through. Very, very nice. When we were out front, we saw a lot of chipmunks and birds. You can hear them. So, and then closet space right here. Okay. And then you've got 2nd bedroom right here.
2nd bedroom.
Okay. Again, plenty of closet space here. Kind of the same bedrooms, basically.
So.
Very nice.
And here is
this the principal or the master bedroom?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a master bedroom.
This is the master. We're seeing it for the first time here. So, right here, you've got, let's take a look. You've got a small closet, emphasis on the small. I would probably combine these 2 rooms. Okay. Might have been an Airbnb. You got a little safe right there. And then emphasis on a small little bathroom here. But again, I'm just showing this. Oh, look at this. They've actually... This is kind of funny. They got a bathtub here, which I guess is kind of a shower, because you'd have to be pretty short to fit in that tub. But you can see, got it set up. They've got their shower right here. So again, this whole apartment, if anyone's going to come in and buy it, I am sure they're going to do a big renovation. And again, what I would do is I would probably combine these two rooms together right here. These two here. And again, you could expand the bathroom out. And then again, you could have this third room here as an office. Okay, or another bedroom. Okay, let's take another look out here. Again, you've got your social bathroom right here. With a pretty big shower, actually. Big shower space. But what I love about this apartment, that Marcela pointed out right away, really good light, right? A lot of light here. Yeah, really beautiful. So, let's take another look out here at this balcony. Just down the road there is the golf course, right? The Golf and Country Club.
Yes.
That's right. And then we have here San Lucas Plaza, like I said at the beginning. There's also Crêpes and Waffles over there.
There's many restaurants.
Many restaurants in this area. Yeah. And also they have here PriceSmart, right? PriceSmart is just down the hill from here, so really good location. Okay.
Mall San Lucas.
Yeah, and they also have Pergamino. Café Pergamino is just around the block from here.
Yeah.
Yep, so let's take one last look at the apartment here. Again, this is perfect for renovation. If you guys have any questions about this apartment, contact us at expatcrib.com/contact and just quote San Lucas renovation apartment. Okay, again, you don't have to renovate this apartment. It's turnkey, pretty much ready to go. Just move in all your own furniture. But I would say probably 90% of the clients that we have are going to do a renovation. So, all right, so Marcela, thank you so much for finding this apartment. Okay, this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and
Marcela.
we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.